How to get $100 Home Depot promo code 2024. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Home Depot promo code 2024. Different sites will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me head over to this one. Click on it. It will land you on this page. In this page, tons of different offers will be available to you. You can also search for the $100 offers over here. If you have found the $100 offer, then what you want to do is click on View Coupon. And then the promo code will be available to you. All you want to do is copy this promo code. Once you have copied, you can head over to Home Depot. After that, use this promo code and get some benefit from it, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get $100 Home Depot promo code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.